Alright, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this video, we'll be cleaning some leather using Mark V vinyl and leather shampoo on a BMW 135i. We're going to dive right into it right after this. Let's get it. As you can see, we are using the tape line to divide the seat so we can show a clear difference between clean and dirty. So stay tuned, stay tuned. As you can see, we are using the Mark V vinyl and leather shampoo. And we're using the 4-piece power scrubber teamed up with my skilled 18-volt drill. And as you can see, I do have the stick handle in the side so I can have better control of the drill. As you can see, we're on to something different. Let's get it. These seats on this BMW 135i are very dirty. We're going to bring you guys in so you guys can see exactly how dirty they were. So stay tuned, stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that like button on the way in. Alright, let me bring you guys in for a closer look. As you can see, there's a clear difference in between clean and dirty on this leather seat. And if you like this type of content, why not subscribe? As you can see, we're on to something different. Let's get it. And if you have a favorite vinyl or leather cleaner, definitely jump in the comments below and leave that below. I may test it out on the next video, so stay tuned. As you can see, we've done something different with our editing, so let me know in the comments below, what do you think about it? All right, now that you had a look at the Mark V vinyl and leather shampoo, what do you think about it? Let me know in the comments below. And with that, I'm out, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.